Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Really Tech Tools. Today we're embarking on a journey into the world of mini portable folding washing machines. Whether you're a student trying to make the most out of your cozy dorm room or an adventurous soul always on the move, these compact washers are about to revolutionize your laundry game. Let's dive in, shall we? Ever wondered why these nifty little machines are gaining so much buzz? Well, let's break it down. 1. Compact design. A washer that neatly folds up, perfect for even the tiniest of spaces. 2. Your travel buddy? Yes, you heard it right. Imagine being able to do your laundry while camping under the stars or on a road trip. These mini marvels make it happen. So crazy. 3. Efficiency at its best. Say goodbye to long waits at the laundromat. Most mini washers get your laundry done in under 15 minutes flat. Now let's take a peek at some standout picks and what makes them shine. 1. Besta's portable washing machine. Versatile features. It sterilizes and dries. Talk about convenience. Perfect match for baby clothes, undies, and small loads. 2. Portable mini folding clothes. Washing machine. Generous capacity, 10 liters of laundry space. Ideal for apartments, camping trips, and jet setters. 3. Ultrasonic mini washing machine. Turbine compact and foldable. Fits snugly into your backpack for on-the-go use. Perfect for kids' clothes, socks, and undies. Time to roll up our sleeves and get practical. Here's a step-by-step guide to using these gems. 1. Unfold and set up. Lay out your mini washer and hook it up to a power source. Some even run on USB. 2. Load your laundry. Remember, it's mini-sized, so don't overstuff it. Add water and a dash of detergent. 3. Start washing. Most models come with simple buttons for different cycles. Sit back, relax, and let your mini washer work its magic. 4. Rinse and dry. Rinse your clothes thoroughly. Some units even have a built-in spinner. Hang them up or use a portable dryer for a quick finish. Before we wrap up, here are some insider tips and tricks to make the most out of your mini washer. 1. Sort smart. Just like with a regular washer, separate your colors and fabrics. 2. Opt for cold water. It's gentler on your clothes and saves energy too. 3. Avoid overloading. Remember, these machines may be mini, but they're mighty. 4. Regular maintenance. Keep your drum and filter clean for optimal performance. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate laundry superheroes, mini portable folding washing machines. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like down button, hit subscribe to join our tech-savvy community, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow adventurers. Until next time, stay clean, stay savvy, and happy washing.